God, if I pass this test, I'll come and break 100 coconuts.
Guys, I'm a people's person. Look at this face. You have to tell which of these three statements is true.
Okay. Guys, I'm not answering this.
Which is true in this? You never zone out.
I don't zone out. I'm very selective about the work I do. Which of these is true?
Like 1 hour before also, we can cancel the shoot.
खत्म
I'm not in the mood.
गया
The rose is waiting for the rose.
Both were correct, both the questions.
I answered with love. That's why I'm right.
Hey everyone! Guys, so today is the first day that we're actually shooting in the night. And as you all know or maybe don't know, I have like surplus energy in the evenings post sunset. So I was in the mood to, I wouldn't say irritate my team, but just to find out how well they know me. Okay, so this game is called 2 Lies and 1 Truth. Or 2 truths and 1 lie. I'm not very sure, but I will be asking a few questions to them and we'll be finding out whether they really know me at all or they don't know me at all. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Let's get started. We will start with asking Nisha some questions. Hello, Nisha, हम जानना चाहेंगे कि आप मुझे कितने अच्छे से जानते हो. Which of these is true? I can live without coffee. I am great at keeping secrets. And I never zone out.
Which is true in this? You never zone out.
I don't zone out?
You can... No, you cannot live without coffee. You need coffee.
See, that was tricky, I understand. Because we said coffee, we didn't say chai. Now think again. I can live without coffee. I am great at keeping secrets.
No.
And I never zone out. She has to choose which is true.
Yeah.
It is 2 lies. Okay, I can live without coffee. I'm great at keeping secrets. And I never zone out.
You can live without coffee.
That's
Because
actually
we are the chai people.
okay.
इसे चाय मिलेगा क्या? That's the phenomenon.
Okay, guys.
थोड़ा चाय, थोड़ा चाय.
Guys, even the secret. And I never zone out. What makes you think I zone out? This is focus, guys. My eyes.
Yeah,
Look
yeah,
at this.
yeah. She's very
I
focused.
might burn the lens.
Yeah.
Nahi
Very
hoga.
focused.
Yeah, guys, I zone out. I think even my team knows this and we learn to work around it. Randomly, I suddenly start getting one. And then I reassess reality. And then the whole thing downloads again. Oh, acha, I'm in human form. I'm in this planet. We are shooting for this thing on digital. Yeah, that happens. Great. Nisha, इनमें से कौन सा सच है? That I can survive a whole week without my phone. I really think I can do it. I've always had it in me. ऐसे कुछ addiction के item है ही नहीं मेरी life में. I can let it go like that. So a whole week, I never get nervous before a shoot. Guys, nervous मेरे vocabulary में ही नहीं है. मुझे तो spelling भी नहीं आती. Even though I'm a BA Literature English, I can't spell nervous because it's not part of my... Third is I'm very selective about the work I do. Which of these is true?
You are very selective about your work you do. Like 1 hour before also, we can cancel the shoot.
खत्म
I'm not in the mood.
गया
Okay, that's true, guys. Abhi,
Today I'm not feeling...
I'm not feeling what I'm supposed to feel, okay? Okay, that's true. But I'm a little offended that nervous part you thought was true because that is true.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Guys, yeah, regarding the work I do, I'm selective. Okay, for any of you who thought, whoa, her standards are there. That's why she does only one thing out of 100 things that she's supposed to do. It's more mood-based. Yeah, I am selective because my mood comes once in a way to do that whole thing. So that is absolutely true and that was bang on. She does know me very well. Okay, guys. I'm going to ask Shiny now and find out how well she knows me. Oh my god, over sincere. I don't know if she's over sincere or she's whatever, doing time pass at work.
Mom, I'm basically checking your mail to collab with the brands. I'm basically responding to the brand collaborations you have received.
Knowing till I see her window, I think she was doing time pass. We'll find out. We'll find out later. First, we need to know whether she can answer these questions correctly or not.
On that note, guys, I'm working, so please send me your brand collaborations for Poonam ma'am. I'll respond to it. Thank you.
That was a very smart save. I think she had it open on another window. And whenever I get caught, I'll be like, oh, I was doing for you. Anyways, it's good. All good. Okay, Shiny. 2 lies and 1 truth. मेरे बारे में सच्चाई जानो. ठीक है.
God, if I pass, one second. God, if I pass this test, I'll come and break 100 coconuts.
100. Okay. Okay, Shiny, which of this is true? I love working out. Guys, I've always been physical.
Sorry.
I am a very physical person.
True that.
Okay. So it's all about muscles and working out and being in shape, and it's always been who I am.
And all the yoga pictures.
Of course. Yoga, Surya Namaskar. The first one is I love working out. Second one is I find it overwhelmed to talk to a lot of people. Guys, I'm a people's person. Look at this face. You think I'm shy? Okay. So do I find it overwhelming to talk to a lot of people? I love working out. I am always calm and never overthink. I think all 3 are true.
Actually, ma'am. This is a very typical question. Working out, yeah, the Instagram pictures, the yoga poses on the Instagram do speak of it. So, you get overwhelmed talking to a lot of people? That's the truth? Hindsight.
I'm not liking the fact that she's right. I'm also not liking the fact that I have to agree to rest. So yes, guys, for those of you who don't know, I have this tendency that if maybe I spoke or interacted with too many people, I get like, oh, मेरे को जाके कहीं गुफे में छुप. I just want to go be in a cave for like 200 years or something. I keep getting those. That is right. I'm always calm and never overthink. I like giving that impression. And guys, regarding I love working out, as you pointed out, with all your yoga pictures and everything, guys, please remember she does brand management. So it's very, if I'm putting yoga pictures, may not mean that I'm doing yoga every day. I put the photo of me doing yoga every day. You need to think, okay? So that part was true. This went really well. She knows me a little too well. I'm not liking it. Alright, I hope she gets the next one wrong. Which of these is true? I'm a workaholic. Everybody knows that. I hate to sleep. Sleep is a waste of time. I'm a hustler. I get stuff done. And the third is I don't follow politics.
Oh no, this is really tricky, ma'am.
I don't follow guys. Which of these is true?
With regards to workaholic, it just takes that minute for ma'am to start, but once she is on, oh my god, she's a huge competitor for all of us. Like, we have to borrow the energy from ma'am. Oh my god. It's twisting. And ma'am, could you please repeat what is
I'm a workaholic.
Yeah.
I hate to sleep. I don't follow politics.
You hate to sleep in the nights. In the nights.
Correct.
And the third point, you don't follow politics. I think you hate to sleep is the truth.
Oh, okay, guys. I'm glad she got one kind of wrong. But that's because, okay, it was a very generic statement, and in the specific that she ventured into, it was true. I'm not great at sleeping at night. I don't like. I feel like I'm missing out on something. I don't know what. ये FOMO मुझे बचपन से है. आप मेरे parents से भी पूछ सकते हो. Because I felt like, oh, they might go out without me, or they might party without me, or they might go eat ice cream without me. I did everything I could to stay awake at night. So I hate to sleep in the night, yes. But otherwise, guys, I love sleeping. I think sleeping is very underrated. It's one of the sweetest pleasures of life. It's like a very cute way of dying for a short while and coming back. Sleep is great. So that is not entirely true.
So the truth is?
I don't follow politics.
Mom, what are you even saying? You don't follow politics? Guys, you see, I mean, you watch her videos, you know the amount of knowledge she has, and Ma'am, you don't follow politics. I don't agree to it.
I don't.
Who is the president of India?
Guys, she's trying to pull an Ali on me, and I'm not falling into that trap. But it's Madame Draupadi, I know that much.
Oh, then who is prime minister? I don't know.
Prime Minister?
Oh, Narendra. Oh, shit. Sorry.
Guys, I assure you we're brighter than this. It's just the nervousness of being in front of the camera that is hindering our smart. नहीं तो सब जानते हैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. He's the PM, baby. Yeah.
I really want to live. I'm embarrassed.
Also, guys, I am flattered that she thought I was a workaholic. आज तक ऐसा beautiful compliment मुझे किसी से नहीं मिला. Not from any guy who loves me or wants to marry me. Not from any girl who thinks I'm the ultimate. Nothing. They have said other things. They never said workaholic. And it made me feel so good. Saying, oh, once ma'am starts, she's a workaholic. So it was a new way of seeing myself. But that's not the truth. I will try and do the least amount of work to get the result I'm trying to get. So that is not the truth. Overwhelmed talking to too many people? Sometimes. That is kind of true. I'm always calm and never overthink. Calm part is true. Not the overthinking part. But that's, I think, every woman's specialization, right? Because we have like 20 windows open. Each one's running its own thing. So I have two more questions left. Sorry, two more sets of questions left. And I will be asking this to my darling DOP. So will you come please join us, and can someone else please take charge? Oh my God.
The rose is waiting for the rose.
Okay, Praveen.
Hi, ma'am.
Do you think you know me well?
As I'm loving you, I have to know all about you, ma'am.
But there is a famous saying that women are not meant to be understood. They just have to be loved. That if
Yes.
you try understanding them, you'll go cuckoo. So,
I'm the guy, millions of your fans, ma'am.
okay, let's find out how well my fan knows me. First fact, you have to tell which of these is true.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't like Thailand.
Okay.
I'm not spiritual.
Okay.
And I'm a night owl. Thailand, spiritual, night owl. Which of these is true?
My love for you is true, ma'am.
Love is true. Sorry, okay.
My love for you is true, ma'am.
Okay.
And in this, I think you like Thailand. But next, what is the next one, ma'am?
I'm not spiritual.
You are spiritual person. The third,
I am a night owl.
guys, we are shooting in the night.
Sorry, guys, this was too easy.
We are shooting in the night.
And he noticed the difference in my energy.
Yep.
He said your skin is glowing, you look very awake, everything, all of that. So this was easy, but it was true. So he knows me, kind of. Now how well he knows me, we'll find out with the next question. Congratulations on the first answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
आपका जवाब सही है. Okay. Second option, guys. I'm not very fond of books. I do not like love stories in movies and series and everything. I hate love stories, in fact. And the third option is I don't really enjoy watching movies.
You are love, ma'am. Because you love stories. It's very simple, ma'am. It's very simple.
Okay, so I hate love stories is not true.
Yes. Because you are love.
मैं रो पड़ूंगी लेकिन एपिसोड के बाद ठीक है. And what about I'm not a book person?
You are book person, ma'am. Lots of books are there.
Guys, actually he also got lucky because there are bookshelves in my house. Okay. And the third one is I don't really enjoy watching movies.
Yes, it's true.
Guys, that's true. I like acting. I'm clarifying that because the whole my friends from the industry hound me for this one thing. कि heroine होते हुए how can you not watch movies? And all I keep saying is, listen, I like acting. I'm not very fond of watching. Watching the audience should do. He was right. Both were correct. Both the questions.
I answered with love. That's why I'm right.
Guys, I'm not very sure whether this night shooting is a good idea. I thought it was a good idea, but there's excess of energy happening because everyone apparently in my team is a night owl. We can only have so many owls in a team. But great, thank you so much for answering it,
Thank you,
Praveen.
ma'am.
So guys, on that note,
Thank you, ma'am.
guys, the episode is not over. Just in case you thought I'm done with finding out how well my team knows me, there is another team member, if you could say. My dad's right here. तो मैं डैडी को जाके पूछूंगी कि डैडी मुझे कितनी अच्छी से जानते हैं. Of course he would know, but hello.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. So I'll ask my dad this question. You have to tell which of these three statements is true.
Okay.
The-
Guys, I'm not answering this. She is my color photocopy. If I say true for her, it is also true for me. And that I may not want to tell you. So, I am not going to get into this trap of hers. I know ये इसकी टीम साथ में है और मैं फंसने वाला हूँ. मैं फौजी हूँ, इतनी आसानी से नहीं फंसता हूँ. So, आप अपना क्वेश्चन और टीम उधर ही रखिए अपने पास.
It's your lucky day because you get to answer. ठीक है? Okay, guys. Now I will be asking the question and I'm expecting your answer in the comment section down below. So, guys, which of these statements is true? First one is that I am very prompt with replying to messages and calls. Missed call हुआ या message हुआ, मैं फट करके जवाब देती थी. That's the first one. Second one is I have very poor long-term memory. मतलब मैं आपसे 20 साल पहले मिली, 10 साल पहले मिली, आपने क्या बोला, I cannot remember. And the third one is that I love swimming.